Step 1. Battery type dial code selection. This time, a 12 volts lithium battery is used on site. Dial the No. 1 dial code to on, and the rest of the dial codes can be kept off by default. Step 2. Connect to the battery. Use the Phoenix terminal cable to connect the positive and negative electrodes to the BT plus and BT battery interfaces of the device. After the connection is made, the device will automatically power up and start. Step 3. Connect to 24 volts DC power supply. Connect the 24 volts DC power supply to the V3 power supply interface of the device. After the power on is complete, the bin indicator light of the device starts to blink normally. Step 4. Power supply connection of terminal equipment. Terminal equipment such as network cameras are connected to the PO output port of the switch, and the equipment is uniformly powered by PO. Step 5. Log into the management background on the computer. The computer network cable is directly connected to any network port of the switch. Adjust the computer IP to the same network segment, and enter the default management address in the browser, 192.168.0.1. Default login account, admin, password, admin. Step 6. Status check. Log into the web management interface to view the charging status, discharge conditions, and various operating parameters of the lithium battery in real time.